Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. Just like me, I think we're going up tomorrow. I think we got a green Omni here. And to be honest, traders, I don't like to be a buyer in a bear market, but I got to say, when the bull sets up, the bull sets up, and I got to call it for what it is. So I'm telling you now, I think NASDAQ and S&P are going up tomorrow. It is a bear market, so I'm going to be nimble with my trade. And I don't know how much we're going to get out of it, because lately when this thing tries to stick its ugly head up, it's like they come by with a lawnmower, ring, and just mow it right back down. I don't know why. No one lets this go up. When it tries for a half a day, they hit it. But I'll tell you what, right now, I'm starting my day off with an upswing, and we'll see what happens. By the way, the video is for 2/12/08. It's Tuesday. The S&P, the ESH8, the NASDAQ as well, they both look like they want to go up. And we talked about the Dow transports leading the Dow, right? Take a look at your charts, traders. It did it all day today. Transports went, and then finally we started to follow. If you look at your transportation charts now, the Dow transports, I am telling you, you will see it. It looks like it wants to go higher. And I think these two little guys behind it are going to follow. So for that, let's take a look at what we want to do tomorrow in the S&P, the SPH8, the ESH8 for the mini. A green Omni, baby. I'm believing in it. I don't care what you think out there in TV land. I'm going for it. All right. Omni says to buy the mid to low 1330s. Market if touched. We get down into the mid to low 1330s. Get yourselves long. I say this in every video, traders. Always, always put your stops in a sensible place. Place your stops first. But remember that we're in a highly volatile market, so you're going to need a big stop here. All right, I'm going to buy these things if we get down into the 1330s. Look, I wrote all over the board. I don't know which way to turn anymore. All right. Omni's profit objective is the mid to high 1350s or be out MOC. I think you buy them in the low 30s or somewhere below the mid 30s. Look for them to get all the way up into the mid 50s and maybe kick them out there. The NASDAQ, we have a great trade set up for you traders. Come on down to the site. It's www.livewithoscar.com. Ask me about the NASDAQ trade. I'll be more than happy to share that with you. So for now, I'll give you the S&P, and let's see if we get a little up move here, traders. I will say this. Last couple of times we tried for an up move in the S&P. I don't think we got a half day out of it, and it came right back down. But it's been a while since we've had some upside. This is a pre-holiday week in the United States. We will all be taking off on Monday. Markets will be closed for a 3-day weekend, and that makes the analysis get quirky right off the bat. I'll tell you that right now. My analysis is already quirky. I already see things in analysis that I don't like to see. This market's already beginning to turn and go in a direction where it doesn't belong. So strange things are going to happen. And I'll tell you this, like I say every time we get close to a holiday, probably by Wednesday, I'm done and I'm stepping out of this thing. So you take a look at your analysis and tell me if you don't see a couple of things that just don't look right all of a sudden. And what you'll find out about that is it's mainly because we're going to be going into a pre-holiday trading schedule. And you will see, if you stick with me long enough, traders, when you try trading around the holiday, it always gets weird. Always. Markets go in directions they're not supposed to go. They go down when they should go up. They go sideways when they're booming. All sorts of things happen that you wouldn't expect. So with that in mind, if you're hanging around my site, you'll likely not get recommendations from me past Wednesday. And you know what? This really works out perfectly, traders, because where are we going, guys?
OmniCamp.
We're moving to OmniCamp, baby. We're out of here. We're out of here. We found some new digs. A great place where we could stay on one side, and on the other side of the property, we have room to possibly build our OmniCamp. So, boy, am I excited about that. And OmniCamp is going to be a place where you traders can come spend 4 days of training with us here, intense training. We have a fantastic curriculum, traders, for you. I've been working on this most of my life, to be honest with you, and now finally I'm going to get a chance to act it out, and I can't wait for that to happen. So stay tuned for that. All right, traders, so you know what we're looking for. We got the green Omni behind us. We showed you in the last video that the Dow Transports lead the way. They're starting to go. We have a green Omni suddenly. Away we go to the upside. Take that little elevator ride. We'll see what happens. All right, so a couple of things I'm going to say quickly, and then I'm going to get out of here because it's hot under these lights today, guys. I'm like dying in here. All right, listen, if you'd like to give me a call, please do. Number 702-629-4755. We have a lot of YouTube videos out with a lot of analysis techniques for you traders. Please come down to our YouTube spot. It's www.youtube.com/futuresanalysts. There you'll find 200 in. Get it right, Mikey?
273.
272. He's got it. Bob's got you, baby. No way. It's 271 yesterday. Today makes 2.
273.
Where'd you get the 3 from?
Look at youtube.com.
Oh, maybe he's right. We'll see. We'll give him the benefit of the doubt. Bob, you're always wrong.
How would he know anyway?
All right. So anyway, this is somewhere between 271 and 274 videos taking the analysis here in the class. In any event, they have plenty of techniques in there for you to learn from. So go to the YouTube spot and subscribe to those videos and start to do your homework and catch up with us traders because there's a lot of great stuff in those videos. I say this in every single video. Don't trade alone, traders. Do not trade alone. Don't try this by yourselves. Come hang out with us. We have so many Omniacs at the site these days, all helping one another. I am there every day on camera and microphone, directing trades and helping you learn how to do analysis. So come to the site, grab a membership, and become part of the crowd of Omniacs, right? We have lots of them growing all over the world. They come in from everywhere, and thank you so much, Omniacs. Thank you for showing up. And I promise one thing, when you're with me in my rooms, you know, like some people are driving in the car with you and they're worried about the way you're driving. Well, don't worry about the way I'm driving because I'm getting my butt home to my wife and kids tonight. And that's the same thing with you sitting in that room watching me trade. I'm trading to make money, and you guys are going to make money with me if we get it right. So don't worry about yourselves. I'm worried about me. All right, traders. So, last but not least, I'll say this a million times. Do your own homework. Always, always do your own homework. Compare my numbers to yours. See if you think the market's going up. If it's a green Omni like mine, then take the trade. Guys, am I forgetting anything before I run?
I think you got it, man.
We good? Email. Yes. If you'd like to email me your homework, please do. You can send me your charts. Draw up some charts. Tell me what you think about your homework, what you think about those charts. Shoot them to me at oscar@futuresanalysts.com. I will evaluate that homework and send you back a message. I think I'm done.
I think you're done. I was going to ask
You
about
think
the
I'm
phone.
done? Does he think I'm done?
He doesn't know what he's doing.
He's got some more. I was going to ask about the phone number, but you got
We
it.
did the phone number. We're all good, baby. Didgeridoo, that's all I know. All right, traders. Say this to yourselves every day. Always say this because it will help you with your trading. Say it in the morning, afternoon, evening. Say it when you're arguing with your wife, for God's sake. Say it all the time, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.